Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube marketing course. Till now we have gone through step 1, step 2, step 3, 3 steps of the YouTube marketing course. Today is step 4. We have created a YouTube channel. We know the purpose of our channel. We have set it up. We know how to find topics for the channel. And now we will go into the in-depth setup of this channel. So let's get started with the setup of the channel, because if you set the channel up, it will simplify this YouTube creation process. It will help your channel rank, and most importantly, you need to have a basic structure for your YouTube channel. Do you know, like you have for a website? So your website will have a structure, right? Say it will have what are the different main categories of your website, and then under that the subcategories, and everything will fall into a particular category. Similarly, you will have different playlists for your YouTube channel, and everything you create will fall into a playlist. Now, so basically for this you already have identified a niche for your channel, but you need to identify even in depth exactly what you will be creating YouTube videos about. So for example, as the example, I'm making for small business marketing, so I'm going to help small businesses and local businesses market their system, market their business, market their products online. So everything I create should be related to that. It should help the small business owner. They should be able to, any doubt they have in their mind, it should be covered in this channel. So I just can't randomly though put out the video. So I can go in different ways. One is I can go that, okay, how will you market it in this platform, say Pinterest? How will you market it on YouTube through YouTube videos? Or I could go in other ways, such as if you are having, say, a handmade soap business, then how will you market it? So we will cover all that in the upcoming series. And in this 10-part series, basically it's just the setup and creating the video, SEO and stuff like that. But then over time we will be looking at different ways you can even fine-tune this process and make it work. You do not have to have many subscribers and views to make money. And how do you do that? We will be learning all that. So let's get started with the YouTube marketing course. And what have we covered so far? Step 1, we decided what to do on YouTube. Step 2, how to find topics for YouTube videos. Step 3, how to create the YouTube channel. And verify, the verify part we are going to cover in step 4. So in step 4, we are going to set up this YouTube channel and build a proper YouTube channel. So what all is required for this step? We need to fill out the about section, which we had already filled previously, because now when you create a channel, the system has changed. So it allows you to fill in the about section, but we can still fine tune it. Add a watermark, insert links in the YouTube banner. This again we did it in the creation process, but if you have not created it in the creation process, I will show you how you can do this. And then we'll talk about the channel architecture. So let's get started with the process. So this was our YouTube channel which we created. It has no videos. So there are two ways you can set up the YouTube channel. One is you can click on the customize channel button, which is there on the screen as you can see, or you can also click on the icon of your channel on the top right hand corner and then go to the third option which says YouTube Studio, and you should be taken to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is the backend where you will do all the backend work for your channel, whether it be setting creating the links, adding the thumbnails, adding the end screens, adding the everything, adding playlists, editing playlists, etc. So this is a prank channel. Now what we will do is we'll go step by step and see. On the left hand corner, if you see, there is a column. Now you go to that column and we will look at different things. Okay, see, monetization you can't do on a brand new channel. You need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, both, to be able to monetize your channel and apply for monetization. So we will not be talking about that right now. We'll look at customization, this magic pencil icon, and here you can add a trailer for people who haven't subscribed. You can add a featured video for people who have subscribed and are coming back to watch your channel, and different things. Basically, without any videos, I can't really create much here. So first of all, let me look at the basic info. In the basic info, now this channel description, here is where you can change your about the channel section. So here ideally you would include your keyword, and also you would write about, in short, about who you are, what this channel is about, what people can expect. So this what I have written is not enough. Write some more, like suppose what all you can help them with, or how it is going to benefit the person who is subscribing to your channel. Here you can add the links. All these links will go to the on the banner which we have seen. So you can rename them as well. You can reorder them. You can add up to 5 links. So I'll just change it to small business marketing advice on this. Small business advice. Okay, and you can decide on how many links you want showed on the banner. So I'm going to put first 2 links, and you can add your contact info so that people can contact you in case they want to give you products to review or anything, or in general, they want your service which you're providing. So you can add this. Other things you can add is that you can add your services you provide, the services page on your website if you have. And let's go to the branding section. We did this. We added the profile picture, and we added the banner image, the layout, trailer you can add. For that you need to usually upload a video, or pick a video which you have previously uploaded. I do not have any videos on my channel, so I can't add that. Next is we have looked at the about section. We have inserted links in the YouTube banner. We will be verifying the channel, and the watermark we had seen in the branding. This is the video watermark. It's an image which will come on the bottom right hand corner. You can use a logo here, or you can, some people what they do is they insert a subscribe button there like this, and you can have that there. Get a proper button. I do not have a proper button, so I'm going to just make do with what I have, and this will just remind people that they need to subscribe to your channel. That's the entire purpose. You can put your logo there, so it's a good way to brand your channel, and then click done. Right, so it will be at the You can decide when you want it. You want it at the end of the video or the entire video. You can also keep it for the entire video and make sure you publish, otherwise the changes won't appear. Now let's look at the other settings. Actually these I will cover in the next video, because I want to go a little bit in depth into these. So we will look at features, we will look at the verification. So if you can see that you have to it's already enabled for me. That means I can upload videos, create playlists and add collaborators and new videos. In the previous version, you know, this had to be manually enabled. So here it looks like it's auto enabled, so I don't really have to do much. So it's as good as a verified channel. So we are all set here now. Okay, in the next video we will be looking at other steps on how to optimize our channel. So stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.